So it's a 2x2. One axis is important to the company. The other axis is important to energizing to the people, and each bubble represents the size of the bubble is how much of our time is going to it, and the placement of the bubble is where it lands on the X and Y axis.
Yeah. So, and the simplest way to find efficiency opportunities and how to inspire and motivate your workforce is by finding that bottom left quadrant of bubbles of work that are neither important nor energizing, and then stopping, reducing, reallocating, automating, or outsourcing that work. So it gives you a very clear roadmap to be more efficient. That's also got great outcomes for your people. Now, if you have a different sort of workforce challenge that you're solving, so for instance, where are my prime AI candidates, then you also might want to layer on a few other dimensions that we've talked about. So what work or what bubbles of work require human effort from our strategic perspective? What work is prone to human error? What work is critical for skill or career building? Things like that. So it does come down to the strategy that the organization wants to pursue. And so it could be a multi-dimensional bubble chart, but the prioritization matrix is very clear and helps leaders and individuals to align on where to focus their effort.
The beauty of it is in its simplicity, because what you're able to show here is a perspective on productivity in an organization. And what's quite interesting is that when we can identify work that is important across all functions and all areas of the business, then it's pretty easy to then start to understand what proportion of our workforce or the work that we do is high value. It is a very standard metric that can be applied, which is what organizations really struggle with when they're starting to understand and quantify productivity in an organization. So if we don't have that lens of what's important, then you're not necessarily going to be able to dial up time on that high value work. And that's a great productivity lever.